Okay, so I have been asked how I cook when I am camping and or backpacking. So I am going to show you what I use, and this is very extremely minimalistic. This is my setup. For camping, I have a single burner butane stove. It is a Martin, and I bought this on Amazon. I will link it below. When I am car camping with this Martin stove, I use a kettle to boil water. Typically coffee is what it's mostly used for. So in the Sea to Summit Alpha Pot, I have this cute little lid. I keep my AeroPress. The Sea to Summit Duelist came with these 2 bowls inside, as well as 2 cups, 2 spoons. So these are the bowls that are inside my Sea to Summit Duelist set. It did come with 2 cups with lids. I don't like to use the cups, so I gifted those away. And this is what I use with my Martin stove. Along with these 2 bowls, the pot, and the kettle, this is what I typically use when I'm camping. I just saw something swimming in the water over there. Did you see that? It wasn't a duck or anything. So that's what I use when I'm camping. The single burner butane stove with a kettle, my Duelist set without the cups. All of the utensils that I use, cutting, everything is in there. When I am backpacking, this is what I use. This is my cook set when I'm backpacking. Everything I need is in here. Except I don't have the mini lighter in here, I don't think. I usually carry a mini lighter, a mini Bic lighter. And this is the Toke's 700 milliliter, I believe. So this is my pocket rocket too. And I don't take the case, I just wrap it in this cloth and I put it inside, and there's the fuel as well. And everything I need is just stored right in there for backpacking. I am getting into cold soaking, so we'll see. I might go stoveless just to save on some weight, because there are some items that I absolutely need that are still kind of heavy. So we will see. And there is my backpacking stove. Now, I love this Martin stove. I used to have a Coleman single burner butane stove, but I dropped that thing so many times it stopped connecting on the inside where the butane goes. This little part here wasn't connecting anymore, so I had to get a new stove, and I'm really happy with this Martin. Not only is it like super cute, come on, but it works really well. The flame is different. Let's see if you can see this. And during transport, this flips over, kind of like the gas one does. Now, my Coleman didn't do that. It was just fixed the other way. So I kind of like this. It makes it more streamlined for storing. Let me see, it's not. So that I really like. Now, Martin does come in a 2-burner propane as well. But I don't like to use propane. I don't know. I find the butane easier to manage. The cans are smaller, easier on my arthritic hands. Like warped hands here, guys. So, yeah. That is my cooking setup. Oh, it's pretty filling. I think we'll save this one for later.